What's good? You already know who it is. It's your boy Hemi John. So I'm checking back in for Mopar Monday. And this is what we got going on this Mopar Monday. As you can see, I'm in the G-Raj. So this is what we got here. We got our Armor Ultimate Car Care bucket. So we're going to be reviewing this today. Let me get this out here. Got done with my work a little earlier and got a couple of the vehicles I need to clean up. Now this does not come with the bucket. This is just my chamois. I had previously opened this, but I'm going to show you guys what all comes with it. It was on sale. I think it was on sale for $25 at AutoZone. So you get the Armor All Extreme Tire Shine. You get the Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. And this is in, let me see, I'm trying to get the size here for you guys of the bottle. It's a decent size though. It's like a 24-ounce bottle. So both of these are, and now this is a 22-ounce bottle. So next we have our Ultimate Shine Wash and Wax. And this is Carnauba Wax, fortified with real Carnauba wax. And we have our Original Protected. So this is, like for your dash and your panels inside your car to wipe it down. And you also get a little thing of this glass cleaner. This is a 4-ounce bottle of the glass cleaner. And you get this little cheap sponge. But something's better than nothing. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get started on these vehicles. And we're going to see what it really does. I'm going to give you guys a little walk around of a before and after on the vehicles. So as you guys can see, the Ram is pretty dirty. Hope the camera's picking it up. This is definitely dirty. Tires, wheels need to be done. Bad. My wife's car, it's not as bad, but definitely her wheels need to be done as well. As you can see, it rained here last night, so plenty of water spots, things to clean off the front. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this video. You guys seen it before, and I'll be showing you guys the after and giving my personal review of this Armor All detailing wash kit. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back. I'll give you guys the finished product. I definitely put real gloss shine on both of the vehicles. I didn't even use the tire shine, but as you guys can see, definitely clean them up both real nice. So with that being said, I would give the Armor All wash bucket detailing kit, I give it a 9 out of 10. I mean, you get good quality stuff, and for 25 bucks you can't beat it. So yeah, definitely a 9 out of 10 for the Armor All detailing bucket. This is it for Mopar Monday. Take care of your family, take care of yourself, stay safe. Holla at your boy. Peace.